Welcome to the Big Wipes demo team. So we're going to show you how effective Big Wipes is on all of this gunge. But before we start, lots of comments about what sort of protection we've got on our hands. So we're going to use a product from CT1 Multi Solve. This is a bit extreme, but let's put some of that on my hands. Make sure there's no protection on my hands at all. Let's give that a wipe. So we're all clean and good to go. So let's start. So we're going to start with some silicone sealant with some added carbon black. Really sticky, gungy stuff. Right, let's get in there. Oh, that's so sticky. Right, there's the carbon black. Let's add a bit of yellow gloss paint. Let's add some graphite grease. Let's add some normal grease onto that. So we've got a big gunge. We're even going to add a little bit of expanding foam as well. So there's the true extreme. Foam's in there as well, big mess. Oh, the worst place to get that, the hairs of your arm, even if you were to get that on a surface. So the first product I'm going to show you is Big Wipes Heavy Duty. So Big Wipes Heavy Duty, so it's a dual-sided textured wipe, 4 different solvents, 4 different skin conditioners. Let's get that fabric onto that sort of gunge. So straight away, that textured fabric, there's 4 power solvents starting to work on that gunge. Yeah, a little bit of work, drive it through all that silicone and the grease and the grime. How much can we get off in one go? Pretty much the whole thing. And where I've cleaned that one hand, I've pretty much cleaned the other hand for 3. And then the great thing about this product is now, however hard I rub, the muck stays in the wipes. It's not going from one hand to the other. So still got that full of muck, still got that on the hairs of my arm. Let's take exactly the same wipe, and yep, off comes all of that gunge. But I'm not done yet, so we're going to take that same wipe and we're going to start working on that surface. Now the heavy duty product is very clever, but it's not designed as a finishing product. So now we're going to move over to Big Wipes Multi Surface. So this is a smooth, absorbent cloth. We're going to pop that on the surface, and lo and behold, that's going to pick up all of that residue. So that tile is now nice and clean. So we're cleaning away, we've run out of liquid. We've got the Big Wipes Power Spray. We can add more liquid to that wipe and we can just keep on cleaning. More liquid to the heavy duty product, keep on cleaning. We can even use the Power Spray, because it's a cosmetic grade product, directly onto our hands, so we can get the worst of the gunge off, even off the hairs of our arms, and we can pull out once again the multi-surface towels. Let's pull those out, and we've just got a perfect clean down product. So we're all clean, gunge is off, everything is in the wipes, we're ready to crack on.